Hello, it is I, and welcome to the 10 Cars 1 Hour Challenge, the series where I drive through various different towns and cities around the UK to hunt for 10 remotely interesting cars in the space of an hour.
Wait, what's the rules?
Once I see a nice car I want to lock in, I'll ring my bell, and once I ring the bell for the 10th time, I stop the count. Also, I'm allowed to pick just one car from a dealership if it is parked outside. Then at the end, we add up the retail price of those 10 cars to see how expensive we can make the list. You got it? Good. Now let's get into this video.
Okay, so you join me in Letchworth Garden City, which is home to yours truly. I am from here. So the plan with this series is to start in one town or city and then move to another with every new episode. So yeah, I'm starting in my hometown. I feel very awkward with this on, so this is gonna be cringe for me. So yeah, let's get this timer ready. 1 hour on the timer, and I have a bell to ding if I see a nice car. Let that band go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1 hour starts now. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this is so awkward. And it's so hot too, so I'm sweating while I'm filming this. It feels so weird, man. Okay, so this is what we call the Kennedy Garden. I think there's another name for it, but everybody in Letchworth calls it the Kennedy. Let's follow this van. That van's called Man. Oh, M3. I'm an M4. Ding that. I don't know if you might see Supercars if that was a waste or not, so... English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. That song is so annoying, but it's so catchy. So we're gonna have to stay in Letchworth. Oh, Model S, should I don't know. We're not gonna ding that Model 3. You know something annoying? When I was on my way to town, I saw a Lotus Elise, the first gen one. I could have dinged that, but I wasn't recording, so I have no proof. Oh my god, it's gonna be so awkward, man. I'm not looking at it. Yeah. This is the most awkward thing ever, man. Last time I did a POV, I did it in the night, so no one could look at me. Now look, you know what, we'll go straight. By the way, I'm not speeding because that's a bit illegal, if you didn't know already. Yeah, there is some place in Letchworth where there was like some nice cars. I did my driving lesson there and I remember spotting so many nice cars. Oh, Porsche Cayman GTS. I don't know if that's a good... Oh, what's that? That's just a standard 3 Series with black wheels. I thought it was an M3. I think I got the M4 mixed up with an M3 at the start. I was in panic mode. I don't know why I said M3. Okay, so let's go right. Is that a BMW Z4 with an M badge on it? Yep, and it's not even a real M car. Look at that lorry, it's massive. 30 does not feel right on a road like this. It needs to be 40 at least. Mate, I want to become president of the UK. I mean, prime minister of the... queen of the UK, yeah? So I can change the speed limits to at least 50 miles an hour over what they are right now. And then, like, anybody who doesn't reach the speed limit, executed. There's a bird. I don't know if you saw that. Oh, there's a Astra with, like, rotiform looking wheels on it. Porsche Boxster? Nope. Should I get the dealership one out of the way? There's a Honda dealership that might have an NSX, and there's a Toyota dealership which probably would have a Supra. Let's go to the Toyota dealership. Yes. Normally, yeah, when I drive normally, yeah, Supercars everywhere. Sorry. That was a bit bumpy. Okay, my camera's just moved out of place now. There you go. Oh my god, I'm just driving in circles, man. Camera, stop moving. Thank you. There's a Corsa. Oh, there's a police car. Toyota dealership. Any nice car? Oh, Supra. There's a white one. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. Not really ding worthy though. Ooh, RS6. Oh, Macan. No, I'm not gonna bring the Macan. There was the C7 RS6. Oh, that car's got a poppy on it. So many white cars. Oh, they're all the same. Oh, you can see the heat waves. Yeah, it's a really hot day today. That's why my AC is blasting. Engine is clarting. You get me? Oi, bars, you know. Oi, bars. I don't think I've ever seen an Aventador in my town. I see so many in London, but none in my town. I hold my steering wheel weird. I don't know if you noticed. No, it feels unnatural to hold it like that. So like this, I rest my arms against my seats. It feels nice. Yeah, my GoPro slipping. Oh, it slipped. Let's hope it stays on tight this time. Okay, so Honda dealership. Anything there? I mean, that's a Mazda one. Oh, there's a Honda E. 2 Honda E's. Well, I nearly crashed into a Digger D. It's the old flow mass bringing it back. Pass a soda, let me turn it to... Oh, look, it's an E30. Should I bing the Macan? Okay, yeah, let's do it. I think that was a Macan GTS that had black wheels. Oh, Macan RS. I beat that. I don't know if that's expensive, but it looks expensive. There's the Macan. There's the Supra. A lot of learner drivers now. I guess quarantine's over, so you can do that now. I'm so glad I took my driving lesson just before quarantine. I passed on December 2019, and then we all got into lockdown in March 2020, and now it's June 2021, and we're still kind of in lockdown. That's a bit mad. Oh look, there's another Macan. No, that's a Cayenne. Cayenne, sorry, I had to. I forgot what Cayenne, but it's a 70 plate, so that must be pretty expensive. They don't see us either. Came back, man, hit him with a meat cleaver. Come to think of it, I think I should have binged the Model 3. This is the UK's first roundabout. Top Gear filmed here, The World's End filmed here. It's mad. Letchworth is a pretty underrated town. Oh, Gordon Ramsay filmed it as well. Oh, it's a Cupra thing. I don't know what, 21 plate. I'm not gonna do anything for that though. Stop falling, I'm gonna crash because of this camera, man. I missed the bill. I don't think that was a real one. I thought I saw a C63. 51 minutes, oh no. That was such a waste going through Hitchin. Oh, there's another police car. That lady barber. Ooh, Sam, hello. Low rider. Guess a little higher. Also, I apologise for wearing my hat backwards. It's just the easiest way to mount my GoPro without looking weird. Oh, Model 3. I don't know what range that is, but it's 70 plate. Oh, there's a Mark II Golf GTI. Those are, I don't think they're expensive, especially when they were new. Range Rover, is that worth it? I don't know. It's annoying because yesterday I was driving and I saw like Maseratis, Ferraris everywhere. Now, nothing. Oh, look at the wheels on that Fiat 500. I like that. Look at that. Very nice. I like it. Oh, Porsche. No, we're not gonna do that. I don't know why. I have no idea how much time I have left. Jesus. Oh, why did I thank him? Does he see that red light? Okay, you know what? One last check. Oh, Model X. That's wrapped. Nice spec. Come on. That was like khaki. That was beautiful. We're gonna go down this road again. Hopefully see something nice. Oh no. No, my time's run out. Oh no. Okay, so I think it's time to go. Oh no. Why now? GTR? Are you stupid? Oh man, that's so annoying. Okay, so time to add up the car things. Wow, that is so annoying.
But wait, before we carry on, did you know that over half of you guys watching have not subscribed? Yep, that's pretty embarrassing. So make sure to subscribe if you are enjoying this video. We're so close to 200k and any help would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you can hit 4,000 likes and I'll make much more of these real life videos. Anyways, into the video. Okay, so a little bit of bad news. In the 1 hour I was given, I only pressed the bell for 9 cars, meaning if I got to the GTR in time, it would have actually counted, so yep, that's a bit sad. Okay, but getting into the cars that we actually did get, we got an F82 BMW M4 pretty quick, and they start at £62,395, and they can go up to this, but I'm gonna take the lowest one. Next up, we saw a 718 Porsche Cayman. It starts at around £46,000, and the one I saw was a GTS, and I think GTS is like the highest spec without going to a GT4, so I'm gonna take this price into account. And then the dealership one, the Toyota Supra, they start at around £46,000, so we'll add that to the bill. Next up, C7 Audi RS6 Avant, and they start at £79,000, that's a bit mad. And then we saw the Porsche Macan GTS, I was kind of skeptical on this, and they start at £58,816. And then we saw the Renault Megane RS. Now when I saw it, I kind of panic dinged. It goes for £33,585. Next up, we saw the Porsche Cayenne. Now, I didn't want to keep dinging for SUVs, but I dinged the Macan, and I realised that the Cayenne was more expensive than the Macan, so I was like, oh, Cayenne, bang! And they start at £63,000. And next up, the Model 3. So we'll just take 40,000 for this one. And our final car in the time limit that we had, Tesla Model X. 87 grand, not too shabby. I mean, it's very expensive, but like, it's good for the video because it gives me more points. And that brings us on to a grand total of £530,000. Is that good? I don't think so. But I feel like a good goal for each video should be to reach £1 million in terms of like total car value. I think we can easily do that in London, but in like some random town, I don't think that's gonna be that easy. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this new series. I really enjoyed filming this and making it. Like, I mean, I rarely ever have fun editing a video, but I actually kind of enjoyed editing this one, which is kind of weird to know. But yeah, let me know what other towns or cities you want me to visit in my next video. I might be coming to you, not like in a Jimmy Savile way, but like, you know, like I might visit you, not to see you, but I'm gonna stop talking. But yeah, if you want to see more videos just like this one, then make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Also make sure to comment down below literally anything for the algorithm, as it helps out so much more than you can imagine. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this one, okay? Have a good one, stay inside. I don't know how to outro this video. It's different to my... Cheers.
Dinero's what I'm out to get. Sombrero, I get hat and then I'm out again. Got an A1 Chica with a drive like a 3 litre. That's what she needs D4 like the outfit.